Hello and welcome. On this episode of Thursday Tool Overview, we do our 20-volt Dewalt power washer. This is model number DCPW550. This is a 20-volt cordless power washer. It's not a pressure washer. It runs on the big 5 amp hour Dewalt batteries and has a pretty good run time. It's got 2 speeds, high and low. It comes with a 15, a 40, and a 25 degree nozzle. And it also has this orbital nozzle for general cleaning. It has this wand that goes on the end. This thing is able to take water from several different sources. The first, you have an adapter that clicks on the end, so you can feed it with a garden hose. That's how we use it mostly. In fact, the end's on the garden hose. It also came with a 25 or 30 foot piece of hose that has a strainer on the end with a float that you could throw in a river, a bucket, a lake, or whatever. We've only used it once out of a 5-gallon water jug. It's upstairs, and we're not going to get it down to show it to you. But anyway, we've had this thing for a couple years, and it serves us well. It is by no means a replacement for a pressure washer, but it does have enough power to degrease engines and clean off mold and stuff like that, and that's what we use it for mostly. It's really good for cleaning off grass residue from under mower decks. So in review, this is our Dewalt 20-volt DCPW550. It can do up to 550 PSI in 1 gallon per minute. It's powered off of their larger 20-volt batteries. It comes with 3 nozzles and the turbo nozzle. It comes with the suction hose, the garden hose adapter, and it also has a soap container you can click on the end and spray onto a vehicle or so forth. We've never actually used the Dewalt soap dispenser. We have a foam cannon that we used with our pressure washer we've used on this to moderate success. You can get this tool for about $100, tool only, so you'll have to provide your own battery and charger. It's not a bad investment for light cleaning work. I'd recommend it for that. It served us well. In fact, since we got it, our pressure washer's upstairs and we haven't really found a need to bring it down yet, so I think it can stay there. Before we wrap up, one thing I thought I would mention is this has a swing door that covers this to keep the water out, and it is such a pain in the butt to open it. You got to like come up behind it and like slam it at the bottom. So when I accidentally dropped it and it popped off, I have yet to put it back on. But other than that, I've got no real complaints. Well, let's take a look at this thing in action as we pressure wash our neighbor's mower. We're out here with our DCP550 power cleaner, just to show you a quick bit of what you can do with this thing. Makes quick work of this. And it's real good for blasting mold off. As you can see, it's not a replacement for a pressure washer, but it does pretty good. Feel free to like the video if you enjoy the content. Share it with your friends who might make some use of a tool like this. And if you're not subscribed to the channel, feel free to subscribe. Doesn't cost you a thing. We're good people. And we'll see you on the next episode of Abby Normal Garage.